Ever found yourself staring at those intricate TradingView charts, those beautiful candlesticks dancing across the screen, and wondered, could this be my edge in the market? Maybe you've even dipped your toes in with the free plan, exploring the wealth of information at your fingertips. But then, you hit that wall. You want more indicators, more layouts, real-time data without the occasional hiccups. That's when the question pops into your head, the very one we're tackling today: can I pay for TradingView monthly? The short and sweet answer is a resounding yes. TradingView offers a range of premium plans, and the vast majority of them come with the option of monthly billing. So, if you're not ready to commit to an annual subscription, or if you simply prefer the flexibility of monthly payments, you're in luck. But let's dig a little deeper, shall we? Because simply knowing you can pay monthly is just the tip of the iceberg. We need to explore why you might want to, what those monthly options look like, and what you should consider before clicking that subscribe button. Think of the free TradingView plan as an incredible appetizer. It gives you a taste of the platform's power, access to a vast library of charts, and a community of fellow traders. It's fantastic for beginners or those who only need basic charting tools. However, as you become more serious about your trading or investing, you'll likely crave more. That's where the premium plans step in, and thankfully, they cater to different needs and budgets. TradingView typically offers several tiers, often with names like Pro, Pro Plus, and Premium. Each tier unlocks a greater number of features and removes some of the limitations of the free plan. For instance, are you tired of only having a limited number of indicators on your chart? The paid plans significantly increase this limit, allowing you to employ more sophisticated technical analysis strategies. Do you juggle multiple trading strategies or track various assets simultaneously? Upgrading grants you more chart layouts, enabling you to organize your workspace efficiently. Real-time data is crucial for active traders, and the premium plans often provide access to more direct and faster data feeds, minimizing delays and ensuring you're reacting to the most up-to-date information. Ad-free charting is another welcome perk for many, creating a cleaner and more focused analysis environment. Now, let's talk about the monthly cost. While the exact pricing can vary slightly and may be subject to promotional offers, TradingView clearly displays the monthly rates for each premium plan on their subscription page. You can easily compare the features of each tier against its monthly price to determine which one best aligns with your trading style and budget. The beauty of the monthly subscription lies in its flexibility. You can upgrade your plan as your needs evolve and, perhaps more importantly, you can downgrade or cancel your subscription if you find that the premium features aren't currently benefiting you. This is particularly appealing for newer traders who might be unsure about their long-term commitment or for those who experience periods of less active trading. However, it's worth noting that while monthly billing offers flexibility, annual subscriptions often come with a discount. If you anticipate using TradingView's premium features consistently over the long term, opting for an annual plan can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. It's a classic trade-off, flexibility versus cost savings. Before you jump in and subscribe to a monthly plan, take some time to really assess your needs. What limitations of the free plan are hindering your analysis or trading? Which premium features would genuinely enhance your workflow and decision-making? Compare the different tiers and their monthly costs to find the sweet spot that balances features and affordability for you. Consider starting with a lower-tier monthly plan to test the waters and see if the premium features significantly impact your trading. You can always upgrade later if you find yourself needing more power. TradingView often offers free trials of their premium plans, which is an excellent way to experience the benefits firsthand before committing to a monthly payment. Take advantage of these trials. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to pay for TradingView monthly comes down to your individual circumstances, your trading activity, and your budget. The good news is that the option is readily available, providing you with the flexibility to access powerful trading tools without a long-term commitment. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.